right, real quick deadlift tutorial. You want to approach the bar. It's going to be about over the middle of your feet, sort of the middle of the laces of your shoes if you're wearing laced shoes. And then you're going to want your legs about shoulder width apart, plus minus. And if you're going to pull the conventional deadlift, you want your hands outside of your legs, so that way you're not running your hands over your knees. Inefficient bar path, and then you're also it's going to mess with your grip. So as close as you can get your hands while still being outside your legs, and then bring your back into a neutral position, and then just drive to the floor. Your other option is to significantly widen your stance. You don't have to get crazy, but you want a significantly wider stance, and then your hands will come inside your legs. Something like this. This would be a sumo deadlift. And there you're also not having issues with your hands and your legs interfering with each other.